Hey, 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 y'all. Hey, y'all. Hey, y'all. Hey, y'all. What's up? My name is Mimi is Mighty Incredible. For those of you who are new, show me, yes, little old me some love. Make sure you like, comment, share, subscribe. Hey, like, comment, share, and subscribe. And for my oldies but goodies, y'all know I love y'all and I appreciate y'all. So today I'm going to show you a deep conditioner slash hair mask that I made myself. Yes, I did a DIY. And if you guys are interested in DIYs, continue watching this video. If you're not interested but you know someone who might be interested, let them know about little old me. Okay, y'all. So, do you guys see these curls popping? You see it? Take it all in. Take it all in. I have the hair mask on this front section of my hair. That's why I was looking all crazy. But I don't have it in my back sections. Alright, so this is my hair mask. It's butter. Not money play. It's not no butter. It's green, so you guys know. So this is it. It's avocado. This is the consistency of it. I made sure I have all those lumps and bumps out of it because we don't want no chunks in our hair, you know. So I use aloe vera gel, my DIY aloe vera gel, and I use fresh avocado. Alright, y'all, and I will have a video up, you know, soon, letting you know how I did that. Well, how I did this mixture. So being that this is done, I'm gonna pen this up. Alright. And I'm gonna just warn y'all, this stuff is a little messy. But my hair is freshly washed, of course. I'll work on this section right here. Alright. So we're gonna get started. Stay up there, please. Alright, stay right there. Right. I use about this much and just throw it all up on here. And guys, it feels so good on my hair. You see how it's elongating my curls? Like, do y'all see that? Do y'all see the before? Well, this is the before right here, this is the after. Do y'all see this? I don't think I ever had a product instantly elongate my curls. I don't think so. And this is a max from home. Not for real, y'all. Do y'all see that? The before and the after? Hey y'all, are you ready to jam out? I know I am. Let's follow up this part right now. avocado hair mask. I'm going to show you my whole head before I go underneath the hooded dryer. Alright y'all, so I know you see the poppage, the elongation, my curls looking nice and juicy. Now it's time for the big test. How does my hair feel after I rinse this out? We shall see. I'll be back. Hey y'all, I am back. I rinsed off the deep conditioner. This is how my hair looks. Nice, fluffy. Y'all see this? Back action. Y'all see them curls popping? Alright y'all, so my hair feels nice, soft. Feels like I got some strength up in this stuff as well. That DIY hair mask, I would definitely use it more often. Like, I really enjoyed it. And the good thing is, it's very cost effective. You only need, 2 ingredients: avocado, aloe vera, all right, 3 ingredients. You can add some water in it as well. And that's about it. So, definitely let me know if you want to try this hair mask. Let me know if you like my results. Let me know if you like this video and if you would like some more DIY videos from me. Alright y'all, so as always, love, peace, hugs, and kisses. Boo, bye.